can I request all of you to give a round of applause for Adah Sharma? So people, Tamil industry, idu nama aalu and Charlie Chaplin 2 movies padikanga. Thank you very much for being here with us.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Yeah, we're really happy. And to start off with, how do you chill in your life? Like, how do you handle stress in your life?
I think all of our lives, life is stress. Everyone's life is stress. You can't take that away. Chinna stresses, various stresses. As an actress, I think I have to learn my dialogues. I had to dance with Prabhu Deva, so that was a stress. I get pimples on my face, so then, oh God, you got a pimple on your face. So normal stresses. If you're in school or in college, you have stress that you have to study for your exams. So I think this campaign that 7UP has launched is really cool, where you can put the chill in your life. Where whenever you have a stressful situation, you step back and you look at it from a new perspective. And then you can actually focus on what it actually is, step back and then chill out and then deal with it. So I think it's a really, really cool campaign. There's
Exactly. I think that's absolutely bang on, and that's what we've based our insight on, and we've got our campaign Put the Chill, and we're really excited about it. But before I delve further on the philosophy